Welcome to the Battery Cells and Systems Expo from everyone here at Tecman. I'm Kevin Porter, Technical Director, and we're here to give you an exclusive insight into our innovative thermal management materials and some of the clever things that we can do with them. Automotive battery development is accelerating at an incredible pace, receiving significant investment across the industry and central government. The latest government commitment to ban the sale of straight ICE powered vehicles by 2030 may seem pretty bold, a bit ambitious, perhaps a bit idealistic, but whatever the view, it absolutely adds further pressure on the rapid development of battery technology. So with our long track record of supplying thermal management materials into the consumer electronics industry, materials that have been honed and fine-tuned through use in billions of devices, we feel that these cutting-edge materials and technologies have the ability to leapfrog a lot of the challenges that automotive battery engineers face today. Advanced natural and synthetic graphite films and tapes, conductive and superconductive foils, and some of the highest performing thermal pad materials, all of which can be combined in multiple layers to utilise the properties of all of the different materials, and then they can be cut into complex shapes to achieve multiple functions. Thermal management combined with electrical management, you name it, it can be done. Tecman are here to remove your technical constraints. Our message is simple: if you have a thermal management challenge, dream the impossible and then come talk to us.